equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Dell Alienware P43F, specifically addressing a common issue, a faulty CPU regulator. This guide will walk you through the diagnosis and repair process step by step. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your device and ensuring you don't damage any components. Begin by powering down your laptop and unplugging it from the wall. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is vital for your safety. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components. Look for the CPU regulator, which is typically near the CPU itself. Inspect it for any visible damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's time to replace the regulator. Before proceeding, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you identify the problem without any pressure to commit to repairs. To replace the CPU regulator, carefully disconnect it from the motherboard. You may need to remove additional screws or connectors, so keep track of everything you remove. Once it's free, install the new regulator by reversing the disconnection process. Ensure all connections are secure to avoid future issues. After replacing the regulator, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your laptop. Once everything is clean, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before reassembling. This step is crucial for heat dissipation. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to prevent any rattling or movement. Before you power it back on, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. If you'd prefer to have a professional handle the repair, we can come to you, making the process hassle-free. Finally, plug in your laptop and power it on. Monitor the performance to ensure the issue has been resolved. If you encounter any further problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you get your device back in top shape. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and repaired the CPU regulator in your Dell Alienware P43F. Keep your laptop clean and well-maintained to avoid future issues. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.